Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make your Life360 location somewhere else. First, open the Life360 app and tap the gear icon to access your account and circle controls. Then, use pause location sharing inside Life360 to temporarily stop sharing your location with a circle. Now leave the circle if you no longer want to share location with that group. In your phone setting, go to the apps, then tap on Life360 and revoke location permissions or change it to while using the app. Then, turn off background app refresh for Life360 so it can update your location when you're not using the app. Disable Life360's access to motion and fitness or background location if present to limit tracking accuracy. Now use Life360's built-in privacy features, e.g. location history toggle available in app settings or subscription options. Then communicate with your circle, explain why you need privacy and agree on boundaries or scheduled sharing times. As a last resort, uninstall Life360 or delete your account if you no longer want the app to track or store your location. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.